pass, yeah? So well, Grand Palladium. Okay people, hi everybody. Please see with us. Yes, we're busy doing a whole lot of stuff, and that's why you didn't see a lot of postings. Anyway, the idea for this trip started a few weeks ago when this happened.
Dad, when are we going on another road trip?
Road trip? Why, Rich, with all this work, I don't know when we're going to get another road trip out. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking of Grand Palladium.
Grand where?
Grand Palladium.
What do you know about Grand Palladium?
It has 2 beaches, loads of pools, restaurants, and it's a hotel. And it has loads of hotel rooms.
Okay, and where did you get all of this information from?
I found it from the net.
Alright, let's see if we can hear what Mommy have to say. Grand Palladium. Yes sir, good day, how you doing?
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Palladium Resort and Spa.
Why may I tell them I like that?
How best can I assist you now? Checking in?
Yes, we're checking.
The Lady Hamilton side.
Lady
You're
Hamilton.
going to take a left turn right here, up here to that vehicle is coming.
Oh, that white vehicle?
Right.
Okay.
You're going to pass 2 speed bumps and the first right turn after those 2 speed bumps. You're going to take the first right turn and you're going to tell that the looking just like this.
Okay, alright, thank you. Oh, so what's here?
That's the Jamaica side. Both sides are open.
Okay.
We're going from 11 to 25 over here.
Okay.
From 26 to 40.
26. Thank you so much, sir. And I tell you, I appreciate your professionalism.
Enjoy your stay now.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
So then, a little negotiation, some phone calls here and there, a promise or two, and we were off. Oh, and by the way, thanks Chris for feeding the cat and the dog. Let me just say before we start, this video is dedicated to all the hard-working people out there who just need a break. Thanks to everyone who made this trip possible. Special mention goes out to the following people, and if I don't mention your name, please don't hurt me. D, Rich, Miss P, Chris 1 and Chris 2, Auntie Sonia, and last but not least, Dave, our driver. Now, if I don't mention Dave, that's it. So Dave, big up, enough respect. In July of 2008, 2 brand new resorts were inaugurated in Jamaica. The Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa and the Grand Palladium Lady Hamilton Resort and Spa. These 2 new resorts, situated only 25 minutes from the Montego Bay Airport, offer a wide variety of facilities and services for all ages. Grand Palladium is owned by the Palladium Hotel Group. It's a chain of beautiful resorts located in places like Spain, Italy, Mexico, I should say Mexico, Dominica Republic, Jamaica and Brazil. What is the difference in the Grand Palladium Jamaica and Lady Hamilton, as many ask? The difference, and the main difference, are the rooms. Rooms by Lady Hamilton's side were refurbished at the end of 2015, and they are amazing. Rooms by Jamaica side aren't that new, but also beautiful. It doesn't matter in which side you stay, because you will have the full access to all areas, services and amenities. Wait, cuz, come, let's get back to mommy. Let's get back to mommy. Get back to mommy, and then we'll do that. Can't do that.
You have it for both of us?
Yeah, me can't read, you know, so let's pull them out for me, please.
Do you need this now? No, that's okay.
No, man, she full out the two of them, because me can't read, you know, me trying. She will read for me. Thank you. Spot is real fast. Paperwork, creaky bed, spacious room, beautiful balcony view, and now food. Doesn't everybody love to eat? Food. And we have a variety of pastry, and I love the pastry chef. Our lovely pastry chef. You don't mind? Alright. Oh gosh. Cheesecake?
Yes, sir.
You have enough? Alright. To the kiddies pool. The kiddies pool is well laid out and has 5 water slides, a waterfall, and areas for them to swim in and get dunked by a huge bucket that fills up every couple seconds. The way this was excited, we all got into the action, and everybody, adults alike, went into the kiddies pool and got dunked. Now at the entryway are located a huge frog, seahorse, fish, and palm tree with gushing water coming out of the top. You'll also find a small bridge that the kids can go to the other side on, or they just can go under if they don't want to be bothered. Either way, it's fun. And yes, adults had fun in the kiddies pool. I saw several of them. I was also having fun. Alright.
Hey, Wagwan, welcome to Grand Palladium, man, where all is good.
Morning, sir. How you doing?
You're good, man. You taking some picture, eh?
Yeah. Where are we now? Ah, yes, got it. There's a bamboo route located about 80 meters down from Poseidon on your way to Sunset Cove. On this bamboo route can be found the names and dates of people who visited the hotel. We saw it as very interesting. People marked their names and signatures and dates and time all over that bamboo route. Sunset Cove is the location for water sports where you can canoe, scuba dive, snorkel, sail, play table tennis, volleyball, chess, and many more sporting activities. When you go there, ask up Paul Man and tell him we sent you. Hey Paul Man, I need back a rematch in a boss. Yeah. There are many things you can do at night. You can visit one of the many bars or restaurants on the property, or take in shows at the theater. Live bands play until midnight. We attended the tribute to Michael Jackson one night and patrons could not get enough. There are also entertainers who perform in front of most restaurants from time to time, but you have to catch them on the go. These people are very slippery. Ask the front desk about night entertainment if you really desire to do this. They will fill you in. The main beach is located just at the back of the central infinity pool, and whoa, what a pool it is. Very large and very segmented. It's not too deep and it's not too shallow. It's just right. We can see that a lot of thought went into creating this masterpiece of a pool. The main beach consists of a small man-made cove that is quiet and peaceful, and you can hardly hear anything except the crashing of waves and the occasional birds that fly past the beach. There are plenty of sunbeds for everyone. Here is the best place to see the fish in the calm, clear water. And if you are up early, you can catch the sunrise, and oh, what a beauty it is. We have several shots of this, I tell you. It's memorable. Beautiful indeed. Nice presentation, nice. Finally, on restaurants, we went to a number of them. We went to Jamaica, we went to Poseidon, Lotus House, which I think is the Asian restaurant, the Mobe restaurant, and the Nick Grill restaurant. And of all of them, we give the Asian restaurant the edge, followed closely by the Poseidon, and finally the Mobe takes it. As number 3, they get the bronze.
Black rice from
Yes.
from
Fry Irish.
Black rice.
Every time.
In the end, it was exciting. It was restful, but a little energetic at times. And yes, we did enjoy ourselves. Well done to the Grand Palladium team. And I must mention that the staff were very friendly and cordial, and everywhere you went, you were met with a smile. There was a special shout out in the end to our cleaning staff, and this lady, we have to make special mention of her. So if there's a promotion for her to get, come on Grand Palladium, promote this lady. She's a gem. We would like to acknowledge Miss Shirley Dixon, a wonderful, warm, loving person who made us feel right at home. Congratulations, Miss Dixon, and thank you so much for making our stay memorable.